Here's Snooky. It's gonna rain, so we figured we'd get out and play for a few minutes before it rains. There's Jessie. Where you going, Jessie? You run like a little bulldog. Snooky's taking a poop. Good girl, Snooky, pooping outside. And there's Shore right beside her. Whoops, there he goes. He's hiding behind. And Doc is right with Grammy. Doc follows Grammy around everywhere she goes. What you doing, Doc? Doc! Hey, buddy! Hey, Doc, where you going? There's Mary Jane. Right there's Mary Jane. And Coco's pooping now. Good girl, Coco. Oops, here comes Shore. Moving over, huh, Shore? You and Doc. Here's Doc and Shore. Really getting around these days.